Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate you the concept of while and do while loop in JavaScript, how while and do while loop works. So moving to the coding part, I have a button over here, and by clicking on this button, the add function will be executed. In the add function, I'm going to declare a variable with the where I equals to 1, then while I is less than equals to 10. So here, what I'm going to do here is uh, document dot write I, and here I will increment its value by 1. So after clicking the add button, what it my program will be performing is it will be calling an add function. In this add function, I have declared a variable with the I equals to 1. Then a loop will be executing. The while defines a loop that checks the condition that I is less than equals to 10, means I is having a value of 1. 1 is less than equals to 10 means condition got satisfies. The document dot write. So in order to print the I value in your body or your white screen of your browser, I have to write here as document dot write I. So in the first condition I is equals to 1, so it will print the value of I as 1. Then what I am doing here is I is 1. First of all, right hand side will be executing. I is 1 plus 1 2, so I becomes 2. 2 is less than equals to 10. Document dot I 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3. 3 is less than equals to 10 means the loop will execute until unless the I becomes 11, because in the case of 10, 10 is less than equals to 10. No, 10 is equals to 10, right? So 10 will be printing 10 plus 1 11, so 11 is not less than equals to 10. So here the loop will terminate. So let's run it in the browser. So by clicking on an add function, it will just have an output of 1 to 10 in a sequence order. So if I'm going to like put a break over here, so concatenation, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in this way you can execute your loop in while loop in your JavaScript. So there are three different type of loops, like it's while, do while, and for loop. In this video I'm going to demonstrate with the help of you with while and do while loop. So do, I'm going to write here as document dot write I plus, then what I'm going to do here is I equals to I plus 1, and in the last I'm going to write here as while I is less than equals to 5, then semicolon. So in this case, what is going to be happen is first of all it will print the value of I. It will print, then I plus 1 is 2. Then after printing the value and after incrementing the I, it will check the condition. So the major difference between do while and while is in the while the condition is being checked firstly and then any output is printed on your screen. But in do while, the first output is printed on your screen, then the variable got increment, and then the condition is being checked. For example, if I am going to first of all we just print this at 1 2 3 4 5, it's 1 2 3 4 5 means I equals to 1. It will print 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 is less than equals to 5 means true, so it's gone to this again. Then 2 is print, and 3 4 and 5 is printed. So if I'm going to do here is 10, so what it will do, like it will print only 10. Why? Because do document dot write I means 10 will print, 10 plus 1 10 plus 1 11, so 11 is not equals to 5 means condition got false. So in this case only 10 is being printed, because do into the output is printed first and then the condition is being checked. So this is the video that demonstrate you the difference between while and do while. So like stay tuned with me, join my channel, subscribe my channel, and get all latest updates on the tutorials of JavaScript. Thanks for watching my video.